Amna uchungu unaopitiliza wa mzazi ambaye amempoteza mwanawe. Mmoja kati ya wasanii wa nyimbo za Mugithi nchini Kenya ameweza kuongea na kuweza kutoa taarifa hizi ambazo zimewaacha wengi wakiongea kwenye mitandao ya kijamii. Death, where did you take my son? Popular Mugithi artist mourns a son who died some years ago. Now, if you frequently pay a visit to social media platforms, especially Facebook pages, you might have come across this post of a certain artist who is mourning the death of his son. Victor Ng'ang'a was the son of Jane Wanjiku Demathew, who was the first daughter of the late artist John Demathew. Victor died due to a heart disease. Today, his mother was mourning his death, but she was grateful since after his son's death, she gave birth to a gift called Tiffany. Death, where did you take my son? The secular artist lamented about his son Victor. But God has been faithful, he saw a broken heart and gave me Tiffany, the famous secular artist wrote. Now, this is Jane Demathew. She is the firstborn daughter to the late Mugithi legendary artist, Mr. John Demathew. Jane Demathew is mourning the death of her son, but also celebrating the gift of life that she has been given of another kid by the name of Tiffany. If we speak about the kid that Jane Demathew is mourning, is also a grandchild to the late legendary artist. All we can say is that, you know what, death is cruel, but God has ways of healing people that have lost their loved ones. You know, we always say sometimes time heals everything, and for Jane, time has really rewarded her and healed the holes that she has been undergoing. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe to FM Show. See you in the next video.